Welcome to This Explainer. We're cracking open the optimization playbook for bulk cleaning in Gauteng. Let's jump in.
Facility managers, here's a massive question for you. Are you completely overpaying for clean?
Well, buying bulk directly from the factory actually slashes industrial cleaning costs by 35 to 50%.
Why? Industrial formulas literally pack 15 to 18% surfactants. That basically doubles retail product concentrations.
So, diluting just one 25-liter drum gives you a massive 2,500 liters of usable product. Crazy, right? Plus, you can seamlessly scale your operations, going from 25-liter drums all the way to huge 1,000-liter containers. But look, one size doesn't fit all. Different sectors across Gauteng need really specific chemical formulations. Take Santon office towers. They absolutely need neutral pH cleaners for vinyl and low-foam options for scrubbers.
In commercial kitchens, SANS-compliant items and enzyme cultures are total non-negotiables for breaking down stubborn fats.
Meanwhile, busy washrooms need strong acid-based cleaners to bust the calcium from Gauteng's notoriously hard water. So, how do we score these savings? Buy factory direct and totally ditch those traditional distributor margins. The best suppliers don't just drop off boxes. They calibrate dosing pumps and run on-site dilution training. And with strategic local networks, your morning orders get same-day delivery across Johannesburg, Pretoria, and the East Rand. Better yet, pump-equipped transfer trucks safely move bulk chemicals straight into your storage tanks. No manual lifting. To stay safe, you gotta use concrete containment floors, control the temperature, and always separate incompatible chemicals. Also, never compromise quality. Always verify SABS certification, batch documentation, and your material safety data sheets. So knowing all these massive efficiency gains, how much money are you literally washing down the drain?